Buying a home doesn't have to feel complicated. RichmondCustomHomes.com helps you make smart mortgage decisions from day one. A HELOC, or home equity line of credit, is a flexible way to borrow money using the equity in your home. Unlike a traditional loan, a HELOC gives you a line of credit that you can use as needed, and you only pay interest on what you borrow. This makes it perfect for home renovations, large purchases, or even consolidating finances. A HELOC can also be a safety net for unexpected expenses or emergencies. Interest rates are often variable, so you should understand potential changes over time. Keeping track of how much you use and how much is left helps you stay in control. Consulting a mortgage advisor can ensure you choose the right line of credit for your needs. Used wisely, a HELOC can fund projects without taking on unnecessary risk. It provides flexibility, access to cash, and a way to leverage your home's value. With the right planning and guidance, a HELOC can be a smart tool for your financial goals. Expert advice can help you maximize benefits while protecting your investment. For further detail, contact Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmall.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.